Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the reduce motion option on the Discord application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should click on this emoji button down below on the right side corner of the screen. After that, click on accessibility. Scroll down to the reduce motion section. As you can see, reduce the amount and intensity of animations, hover effects and other moving effects across the Discord. So click on this enable reduce motion button on the right side of the screen, and as you can see it has been turned on. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.